Hey guys, today I'm back with this amazing hair spray. So for those people with alopecia and for those people with itching scalp, dandruff, this is gonna work for you. You want to grow your hair fast, this is the amazing one. First of all, we need a clean bottle. It should be glass because we're going to put hot water in it, and we shall need aloe vera. We all know the importance of aloe vera on our scalp. It's an anti-inflammatory agent. So you put this, then after we shall have some cloves, we shall have some fenugreek, we shall have, this is black seed, amazing. And then we need to so guys, you can now add some water until it's all covered, as you can see.